Today we deal with sweet water issues. We have two issues actually. One is that we didn't think of water to wash our clothes. That's why I use this t-shirt already for 5 days. And the other thing is we try to make our water supply last for a long time. So we preserve it, and that's what Marjolein is doing. And what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the powder.
It looks very interesting, like in like you work in a lab or so.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm not not that good in this.
It's not your type of work.
No.
But what is it?
It's powder that makes the water last longer.
Okay.
So I'm adding it to this bottle, and then I will divide the water that's in the bottle over all the other water containers we have. This is our water tank. It is under the whole boat, like in the hull. But I can't add this one here. I have to do it on the deck. So I'll do that.
The wind is strong, but I see something in the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's
It's
sand.
dirty. It's like brownish. What do you think it is?
I don't know. It happens more often that there is sand in the water in
Yeah.
these countries. It is too full, so I drink a little bit. It tastes already a little bit strange.
Yeah? Alright, well, good luck with all the rest of the bottles, and I'll go to my project.
Yeah.
Bye bye. And my project for today is to make a water distill installation. And what you can do with that is you can make salt water into sweet water. And I have limited resources, so I thought let's try to fix something with this. Some bottles, a glass bottle, some tubes, a big one, and some socks. And this is a very experimental project, so any thoughts or advice is welcome. Write it down under the video and we will talk about it. But let's go. Because it's a test case, I thought I'd make 2 installations. And then I'm going to try different setups. So salt water, sweet water. Or maybe the other way around, salt water, sweet water, because glass seems to have effect on the process as well. So that's option 1. And then option 2, it's a bigger pipe. So this is a bigger salt water tank, and maybe it goes faster, maybe not. And here the magic comes. Because with this sock I'm trying to make a difference in temperature. I give this guy a sock, so and then I keep it wet so that the wind can keep this bottle cool, so that the water condensates easier. You know, I learned this in Africa because we were sitting in the desert, and there was an old man sitting in his chair, and he was leaning back and didn't seem to do anything the whole day. But then he took water out of the tree from a leather bucket or something, and it was cold. So we asked him why it was cold, and he said that it was cold because of the wind. They kept the outside wet, so the wind would cool the water. So that principle I'm stealing from that old African wisdom. And now we need a place to install these happy socks. I think on the front of the boat. So, up front it's too much wind to talk, but it makes me curious if this works. I'll have to fill up the bottles with water, and then we have to give it time. So that was our water project. And Monday we will let you know if we have any sweet water results from our test. And we are also planning to leave, so it will be a sailing video. And the only disadvantage is that we don't know if we have internet on the place where we arrive. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we now have a giveaway. If you subscribe to our channel and comment under the video, you can win a holiday on the Messenger. So don't forget to do that. And thanks for watching, have a good weekend, and peace out.